Okay children, let's go for the next very interesting exercise. Okay, get cheer up, don't feel lazy, isn't it? Don't feel lazy, get cheer up. Let's see the next exercise. Okay, look at the picture carefully children. Read the heading carefully. I'm going to read the heading. Please listen it carefully. Okay, sort and write the following words into their correct category. Okay, once again I'm reading the heading. Please listen it carefully children. Sort and write the following words into their correct category. Okay, we want to sort the words into their category. Okay, what category? They are given a category here. Listen it. First category is JSON. If the word has a JSON, we want to sort it and we want to or find it out and we want to write it here. If the word has a G sound, we want to find it out and we write it on the G sound column. Okay. Next, the third one is S sound. In this word having a S sound, we want to pick it out the S sound word and we want to write it on the S sound column. Okay, as well as same as before. If we want to pick it out the K sound word and we want to write it on the K sound column. Okay, first we are going to find it out which word having a which sound. Okay, then we can write it on their particular column, isn't it children? Okay, let's write. This is PA, page, 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 page. You're getting which sound? You're getting a J sound or a G sound or a S sound or a K sound. Page, page. Yes, you're getting a J sound. Just put a underline it and I'm putting a J. This will help you to find it out easily. It will help you to take and write the particular column. Okay. Okay, listen to this. Coat, coat, coat. Do you hearing a J sound? No. Do you hearing a G sound? No. Do you hearing a S sound? No. Do you hearing a K sound? Yes, you hearing a K sound. Okay, let's move to the next word. Game, game, game. Do you hearing a J sound? Game. No. Do you hearing a S sound? Game. No. Do you hearing a K sound? Yes. How are you telling yes? This is not a K. This is a game. Game. Yes. Do you hearing a G sound? Yes. Do you hearing a G sound? So shall I put an underline? I'm going to write a G. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is goal, goal, goal. Do you hearing a J sound? Goal. No, not at all. Very good. Do you hearing a S sound from the word goal, goal? No, not at all. Very good, very good. Okay, do you hearing any K sound from the word goal? No, very nice. Okay, do you hearing any G sound from the word goal? Yes, you hearing a G sound. Very good. I'm making underline and I'm writing here G. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to the next one. This is mice, mice, mice. Do you hearing a J sound from the word mice? No. Do you hearing any G sound from the word mice? No. Do you hearing a K sound from the word mice? No. Very good. Do you hearing any S sound from the word mice? Yes, you're hearing a yes sound. I'm making underline. I'm just written the yes. Okay. This is next word golf. 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 Okay. Do you hearing any J sound from the word golf? Golf. No. Do you hearing any yes sound from the word golf? No. Very nice. Do you hearing any K sound from the word golf? No. Okay. Do you hearing any G sound from the word golf? Yes, you're hearing a G sound. I'm making underline and just put a G here. Okay, next one. This is face. 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 Do you hearing any J sound from the word face? No. Do you hearing any G sound from the word face? No. Very nice. Do you hear any K sound from the word face? No, not at all. Very nice. Do you hear any yes sound from the word face? Yes. Do you all hearing the yes sound from the word face? Very good. So I make a underline and just written the word yes. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next picture. This is spice. 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 Okay. From this word, you are getting any J sound? No. Okay. Are you getting any G sound from the word spice? No. Do you getting any K sound from the word spice? No. Okay. At last I'm going to tell you. Do you hearing any S sound from the word spice? Yes, you're hearing a yes sound from the word spice. I'm going to write yes here. Okay. Okay, listen it carefully. Here, this is a goat. 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 Okay. Do you hearing any J sound from the word goat? No. Okay. Do you hearing any yes sound from the word goat? No. Do you hearing any K sound from the word goat? No. Okay. At last, you are hearing any G sound from the word goat? Yes, you are hearing a G sound from the word goat. I'll just underline and make a, just put a letter, write a letter G. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is cell. What is this? This is a cell. Okay, from the word cell, you are getting any J sound? No, you're not at all getting any J sound. Very good. Do you getting a G sound from the letter, from the word cell? No, you're not getting. This is a cell. Cell. Okay. Okay. Do you getting any yes sound from the word cell? Okay. Do you getting any K sound from the word cell? No, you're not at all getting the K sound from the word cell. But you're getting the yes sound from the word cell. Isn't it? So I'm just make underline and put a yes to here. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is camp. 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 Okay. From the word camp, do you hearing any J sound? Yes, no, not at all. Very nice. Okay, from the word camp, do you hearing any G sound? No, you're not at all getting. Okay, very nice. Okay, from the word camp, do you getting any yes sound? Yeah, no, you're not at all getting any yes sound. Okay, from the word camp, do you hearing any K sound? Yes, you're getting a K sound. So I make an underline and I'm going to write a K here. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to the next letter. This is cape, cape. Okay, from the word cape, you're hearing any G sound? No, not at all. Very nice. From the word cape, you are getting any G sound? No. Okay, let's try the another word. From the word cape, you are hearing any S sound? No, you are not at all getting any S sound. Okay. From the word cape, you are hearing any K sound? Yes, you are hearing a K sound. So I am going to make a line and just going to write a K here. Okay, this is easy to write a word to the particular column. Okay, so only I am just making to write the pronunciation sound of the letter here. Let's move the next word. This is scent, scent, scent. Okay. Okay, from this word, you are getting any J sound? No. Okay. From the word scent, you are getting any G sound? No. Okay. Do you getting any K sound from the word scent? No, you are not at all getting any K sound. Okay. At last, you are getting any S sound from the word scent? Yes, you are hearing some yes sound from the word scent. Okay, I am going to make an underline and I am going to write a letter yes, having a S sound, isn't it? Okay, let's move to the next word. This is gent, gent, gent. Okay, but it having a G letter, isn't it? But it's actually having a G sound or not? Tell me correctly. Gent, gent. Okay, you are hearing any G sound actually? What is the sound of G? G. G. But this is a gent, gent. Okay. Okay, you are having any yes sound from the word gent? From the word gent, you are having any yes sound? No, not at all. Very nice. Okay, do you having any K sound from the word gent? No. Okay, but you having J sound, isn't it? You're getting some J sound from the word gent, isn't it? So I'm just going to make underline. I'm going to write J here. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is gist, gist, gist. Okay, do you hearing a J sound from the word gist? No, not at all. Very nice. Okay, do you hearing any yes sound from the word gist? No, you're not at all hearing any yes sound from the word gist. Okay, do you hearing any K sound from the word gist? Gist. If you're having a G means it will have a G sound. Okay, it having a similar of both sound. If you say gist, then you having a G sound as well as it having a yes sound. We can prominent with the G sound itself. Okay, we will keep it as a G sound. G, starting sound. Gist. Okay, okay. Let's see the next word. This is a cage. Cage. Okay, do you hearing any J sound? No, very nice. Okay, here letter G is having, but actually having a G sound in the word cage. No, it's not at all having a G sound. Okay, having any yes sound from the word cage? No, you're having any K. Okay, do you hearing any K sound from the word cage? Yes, you're hearing a K sound. Okay, I'm going to make a underline. I'm going to write the K. Okay, so far the first step we finished. We just underlined the each word and we write that particular sounding letter. Okay, now we are going to take and write that in a particular column. This is a J sound, this is G sound column, and this is a S sound, and this is a K sound. Okay, first we are going to write the word which all having a J sound. Okay, let's count how many word having a J sound. One. Only two word. Okay, only two word having a J sound. Okay, I'm going to write the first word page. P A G E, page. And the second one is gent, isn't it? G E N T, gent. Okay, let's write the G sound word. Let's count how many G sounding word. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now we are going to write the 5 G sound letter. First one is gave. G A M E, gave. And the second one is goal. G O A L, goal. And the third one is golf. G O L F, golf. And the fourth one is goat. G O A T, goat. And the last one is gist. G I S T, gist. Okay, now I'm going to write the word which having a yes sound. Okay, let's count how many yes sound are here. 1 2 3 4 5. Totally we having a 5 yes sound word. Okay, I'm going to write one by one. First letter is mice. M I C E, mice. And the second letter is face. F A C E, face. Okay, and the third letter is spice. S P I C E, spice. Okay, and the fourth letter is cell. C E L L, cell. Okay, and the last letter is scent. C E N T, scent. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, let's move to the next sound, K. Which how many? Let's count the how many word having a K sound. 1, not having 2, 3, 4. Totally we having a 4 K sound word. Now I'm going to write the 4 K sound word. First one is coat. C O A T, coat. And the second one is camp. C A M P, camp. Okay, and the third one is cape. C A P E, cape. Okay, and the last one is cage. C A G E, cage. Okay children. Okay, so far we have sought out the J sound, K sound, G sound, S sound, and we write it on that particular column. Okay children, now you got some idea which word having a J sound, G sound, S sound and K sound. Okay, did you enjoy this exercise? Let's move to the next exercise. Okay, show me a thumbs up. If you enjoy it, just show me a thumbs up. Okay, shall we move to the next exercise? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.